Hey guys, today you are working on playing a game called Go Fish. If you've never played Go Fish, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna play in a group of three or four. And if there's not, then you could just find a group of two is fine. So each player is going to get five cards, and then you're gonna put the rest in the middle. So I've kind of showed you a little bit of a display right here. So, like, this would be your side, this would be your partner's side. Obviously, you would not look at each other's cards. And then the rest of the pile you put face down. So, then what you're going to do is your goal is to try and find matches that are synonyms. And remember what we've been talking about synonyms are words that mean the same thing. So, I did an example here for you back. And then another word that means about the same is rear. So, that would be a match. So, what you're going to do is you're going to ask your friend if they have a synonym for one of yours. So, you may say, do you have a synonym for question? So, the other player is going to look at theirs and they're going to see if they have that match. If they do, then they give you that card and you have a match. And then you get to go again. If they don't have a match, then they're going to tell you go fish. And you're going to pull a card from the middle and see if that can make a match. And then after you go, they get to go next. The goal of the game is to see who can get all of their cards in their hand gone by making all of their matches. So then after you get done with that game, if you have time, you can play again. So shuffle the cards up and then try it again. All right. Well, I hope, excuse me, you guys have fun and I hope you guys win. All right. Bye.